It all begins in lush tropical farms, where the journey of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate starts with the perfect cocoa pod. Skilled hands select only the ripest pods, ensuring the rich flavor base for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Look at these beans, premium for Dairy Milk Silk.
Inside each pod lies the precious beans that will become the heart of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
The beans are extracted and prepared for fermentation, the first step in unlocking the deep notes for Cadbury.
Fermentation develops the complex flavors essential to every silky smooth Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate bar.
Temps perfect, ready for next turn.
Careful monitoring ensures the beans achieve the rich profile Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate demands.
Sun-drying transforms the beans into stable, aromatic treasures for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Transcription.
Only the best go to Dairy Milk Silk line.
Bagged and ready, these beans begin their journey to create Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate. Safe trip to the Dairy Milk Silk plant. From sun-drenched farms to modern factories, the raw essence travels to
The premium cocoa beans reach the modern Cadbury factory, ready to begin their transformation into Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Unloaded with precision, the beans enter the facility where Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate craftsmanship begins.
fresh batch from local farms. Perfect creaminess for silk. Stored under controlled conditions, the cocoa awaits its first factory steps for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Flow steady. This milk makes silk extra smooth.
Pumped into massive silos, the fresh prepares.
Beans look premium, or good roast ahead for silk flavor.
Rigorous inspection ensures only the finest ingredients.
Pasteurized now, love it. Locks in that Dairy Milk Silk creaminess.
Pasteurized carefully, the milk retains its natural goodness for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Cleaning first. Pure beans for silk smoothness.
First cleaning removes impurities, setting the stage for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate excellence.
Adding sugar now, building the crumb for Dairy Milk Silk.
Combined with sugar, the milk begins evaporation. Cadbury's secret to the
All lines ready. Time to make Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk magic. With raw materials prepared and
Welcome to the heart of production, the state-of-the-art Cadbury factory.
Morning transcription. Morning. Ready for another silk batch?
Every day, dedicated teams enter the facility.
Hairnet first. Hygiene for Dairy Milk Silk. Strict hygiene protocols begin here, ensuring every Cadbury Dairy
Clean hands, clean chocolate, silk smooth every time.
Entering silk zone, let's go.
Crossing into the production heart, where raw materials become the luxurious Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate. Tight security protects every step of the journey to produce Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Remember, no shortcuts on hygiene, or silk is premium. Got it. Daily briefings reinforce the precision needed for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate perfection.
Powered by sustainable energy, this facility crafts Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate responsibly.
Another day making silk magic.
A name trusted worldwide, where Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate is born every day.
Cleaning station ahead, first silk step inside. From entry to action, the transformation of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate accelerates here.
increase speed a bit for silk quality.
Initial process for temperature.
Air aspiration lifts away lightweight debris, ensuring only dense, quality beans advance toward Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
No stones today. Good harvest for Dairy Milk Silk.
Precision destoning removes any heavy contaminants.
Magnetic fields capture any metal traces, maintaining the premium purity needed for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Sieves classify beans by size for even roasting, critical to the consistent flavor of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Chocolate.
Sorter calibrated, rejecting off colors for Dairy Milk Silk.
Advanced optical sorting removes any discolored or imperfect beans.
Very few rejects. Premium batch heading to roast for silk.
Batch at 2 tons, thorough logged for silk production. Narrator, Precisely weighed batches ensure consistent quality.
Feed steady. Roast begins soon for that silk richness. Fully cleaned and sorted, the cocoa beans now advance.
Loaded and ready. Starting roast cycle for Dairy Milk Silk.
Roast profile set for silk here, it is medium dark for smooth depth.
Aroma spot on. 25 minutes left for perfect silk roast. Narration. Constant scent. Cooling fast, locks in that silk flavor.
Rapid cooling preserves the developed aromas, preparing roasted beans for the next critical step. Shell separation clean point. High nib yield for Dairy Milk Silk.
Winnowing efficiently removes the shells, leaving
Minimal shell, excellent for silk liquor grind. Narrator.
Grind cycle on. Smooth liquor base for silk.
Intense grinding releases the cocoa butter, creating rich cocoa liquor.
Evaporating down, building creamy crumb for Dairy Milk Silk. Vacuum evaporation.
crystals forming nicely. Perfect for silk melt in mouth.
Controlled crystallization develops the fine texture crucial to the luxurious.
Gentle drying stabilizes the crumb, ready to blend seamlessly in Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate production.
Liquor and crumb at spec radiant, ready for the silk blend stage.
Cocoa liquor and signature milk crumb unite in powerful mixers, laying the foundation for the ultra-smooth Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Viscosity climbing. Perfect for silk refinement.
Intensive mixing creates a homogeneous base.
Roll gap set tight. Particles down to 20 microns for silk silkiness.
Refined to perfection, the chocolate mass now enters the conching stage, the heart of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk smoothness. Loading complete, conching for 12 hours to unlock Dairy Milk Silk creaminess.
Hours of conching smooth out every particle and round out flavors, creating the melt-in-the-mouth sensation of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Texture perfect. Silk level achieved, 8 more out.
Frequent tasting confirms the development of that signature conched done. Best silk batch yet.
Narrator fully conched, the chocolate emerges transformed, rich, lecithin dosed, emulsion stable for Dairy Milk Silk shine.
Strategic addition of fats and emulsifiers
With the main transformation complete, the luxurious chocolate mass now advances to tempering.
Silk shine incoming. Advanced tempering machines precisely. All zones stable. Perfect beta crystals for Dairy Milk Silk. Narrator. Sensor feedback loops maintain.
Automated distribution ensures uniform supply across production lines, scaling the precision of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate manufacturing. Robotic depositors fill molds with exact portions, automating the artistry behind every smooth Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate bar.
Vibe cycle complete. No voids in silk bars.
Climate-controlled tunnels solidify the chocolate rapidly and evenly, locking in the creamy structure of silk chocolate.
Robotic demolding releases bars flawlessly, maintaining hygiene and speed in Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate production.
Centralized SCADA systems orchestrate every automated step, ensuring consistent excellence in Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Advanced vision systems automatically inspect every bar, upholding the premium quality of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Lanes merged feeding wrappers for silk packaging.
Seamless automated transfers deliver perfectly formed bars.
Precision foil wrappers encase each bar, protecting the luxurious smoothness of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Foil tension perfect, a silk wrapper tight.
Automated vision checks every foil seal, ensuring flawless presentation for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
High-speed flow wrapping adds the iconic outer layer, readying Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate for retail appeal.
Automated coding ensures traceability and freshness information on every Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate pack.
Groups of 12 ready feeding silk cartons.
Precision grouping organizes bars efficiently, streamlining the cartoning process for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Carton seal strong.
Silk display perfect.
Inline checkweigh and metal detection guarantee accurate, contaminant-free Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate packs.
Automated case packing secures multiple cartons, preparing Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate for distribution.
Precise labeling completes the finishing, ensuring every case of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate is traceable and ready.
Pallet pattern set. Building silk load. High-tech palletizing prepares the finished product for storage and dispatch.
Continuous sampling from the lines ensures every Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate batch meets uncompromising standards.
Sampling initiated.
Microbials and swab cultures detect any potential pathogens, safeguarding the purity of Cadbury Dairy Milk.
Polyphenol levels ideal. Silk flavor profile confirmed. Advanced HPLC verifies.
Expert sensory panels confirm the luxurious mouthfeel and flavor harmony that define Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Accelerated testing predicts shelf stability, guaranteeing Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate remains perfect over time. Rigorous leak and seal tests protect the freshness locked inside every Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate package.
Case count 24, pallet stable, silk ready for release.
Final case and pallet audits confirm structural and quality compliance for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Comprehensive data converges to grant final approval, certifying every pallet of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate for distribution.
Pallet in, silk storage zone. Female_narrator, with quality fully assured, the finished Cadbury.
Silk pallet secured. Next one up.
Digital inventory systems track every pallet, enabling efficient order fulfillment for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate.
Accurate picking and staging prepare Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate pallets for timely dispatch.
Stack even. Still.
Careful loading into temperature-controlled trucks, safeguard freshness.
Load secure. Seal number logged. Silk ready to roll. Narrator. Secure sealing.
From factory to market, trucks carry Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate to stores and consumers worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk chocolate from start to finish.
Subscribe for more.